Hello guys, welcome to Osa's Family TV. If today is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below so that you can get notification anytime I upload a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my Nigerian beans. You can use Nigerian beans to eat yam, you can use it to eat plantain, you can use it to drink garri, you can also use it to eat bread. And I'm going to drop a link down below so that you can watch how I prepare my Nigerian agege bread. So let's start the process. This is what I'll be needing to prepare my beans. In here I have my beans. I've already boiled it. I just boiled the beans. I didn't put any ingredients. I just boiled the beans. In here I have my scotch bonnet pepper, onions and bell pepper. I have my crayfish here. I have my dry catfish. This is my mackerel fish. I have my red oil, my Italian tomatoes, aromats, my seasoning cube, and this is powder seasoning. To boil, I'm going to be blending this and the catfish together. I'm going to add my tomatoes as well. It's time to blend my crayfish. That's my crayfish I just blended now. It's time to go to the fire now. I'm going to be pouring my red oil. I'm going to add my crayfish inside. This time I'm going to add my tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and the bell pepper. I'm going to add my seasoning. That's the seasoning powder. I'm also going to be adding my seasoning cube. I'm going to cover it for like 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. Now it's time to put my mackerel. I always use mackerel fish to cook my beans, but it's up to you. If you want to use mackerel, you can just do it without mackerel. At this time I'm going to be putting my beans inside. and I will add my seasoning instead of salt. You cover it for like 10 minutes. My beans is ready. It looks so nice. Just be dishing it in a plate. How's my beans? Come on, join me guys. This is so nice. You need to try this recipe. It's so simple and very easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.